Hi everyone, I am back creating another lusciously, deliciously, visually gorgeous, enticing, creative, all the adjectives I'm using today, God, wow. Arrangements. It is what I'm calling it cosmic. You can take it anywhere you want. I have selected quite a few interesting flowers from very delicate gardeny to very structured and masculine flowers, meaning like anthuriums and the Vanda orchids and the thistles are very masculine, whereas the grape hyacinth, the hyacinth and the cornflower are a little bit more delicate. We've got this beautifully gray bluish asparagus fern that is painted. This comes from the market, but you can easily do it yourself. It just takes a lot of time and you need open space to make sure that when you're spray painting that you don't exhaust yourself, because you can get high off of those things. Anyways, you need a lot of ventilation, so there's air circulation so that you can actually breathe. I've taken these containers. These are so cool. I found them, they kind of like, almost like kids if they brushed the strokes of a canvas and then gold leafed it. It reminds me of a famous painting, which I don't know what the famous painting is. Da, 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 da. Anyways, I've got these and I just filled it with water, no oasis, no floral foam, no chicken wire. And then we've got this, whatever it is, atomic looking, molecular looking, global piece. And then we've got this beautiful pyramid shape, kind of a terranium, you want to call it, maybe, whatever. So I'm going to start with my flowers first. I'm going to start with these containers. And I'm going to loosely approach this. Let me cut these up. Should have had these cut before I started, but it's okay. And then I'm taking my hyacinth. Look at this. Look at that, what it's doing already. It's giving it so much layer. I'm going to take a little bit of this. This is such a great, amazing color. I don't know if you guys can see how intensely beautiful this is. Add more thistle. Not too much. I don't want to oversaturate it. And I've actually painted the thistle, yeah? They come in this, it's a little more paler blue combination. And now I'm going to take this and I'm gonna dunk it in. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. I'm gonna put this aside. And with this one, I'm gonna do something a little different. I'm gonna go ahead and put my fern onto the vase, into the vase. Then I'm gonna twist it and then come back. I wanna kind of create a little collar, if I say. I'm gonna need a piece of wire, which there you go. And this one, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to layer the flowers like this. And then I'm gonna do a stem of Vanda orchids on the side. And then I'm gonna take my hyacinth. I'm gonna move this over this way. Look at that. Look how gorgeous that is. Crazy, right? So I love this color. Remember, I want to make sure that that color is introduced again. So I think it adds so much brightness to it and whimsy to it. So I'm going to go back in, I'm going to clean it off, and I can tuck in a couple like this. Amazing, right? I'm going to put this aside and take my pyramid terranium. And this is what I'm going to do with this one. I'm going to make a little nest, a little one like this. And then I'm going to put it like a nest like this. And then I'm going to take the flowers that were the heads or the stems were broken. A really pretty one here. And I'll take the stem out and just kind of tuck it in. Look how stunning this little like jewel pyramid arrangement is. And finally, it seems like I ended up doing 4 for this. Finally, this boy or puppy, whatever you want to call it, I'm gonna take my asparagus fern and I'm going to work this around. Guys, so I hope that you guys are involved and making comments. You guys are sharing my videos. There's always in the icon of my YouTube page, you will see that it's an information page. We also are doing polls there. So make sure you get involved with those. Thank you guys for tuning in one more time and watching this crazy scientist mad, you know. I'm gonna take your hyacinth. And you see the little florets of the hyacinth. I'm breaking them apart. Now, what you can do is you can string it. And I was thinking I can string it or glue it. Maybe I should string these. I'm gonna put them on a wire and see where this takes us. Then cut these up, the heads of it only. I'm taking a thin wire and I'm doing kind of a straight hyacinth garland. And they have to be, the blooms have to be fresh. They can't be old because then they get like really spongy and gross, sticky. And all you have to do is just go in like this. See that? Just a little, it's just a little. I can do 2, 3 of this based on what I have. So I'm gonna do it. And you know, sometimes people, you know, my team always says, what are you gonna do with this? What are you gonna do with this? What are you gonna do with this? And honestly, I don't have answers to that. I'm one of those type of people that if the materials are around me, if I could dream it, it's definitely gonna happen. Here, let me turn it around this way because I want the front to kind of have the most impact. Like that. And then right, it's so cool. So cool. And then we're gonna finish this off. I'm gonna clean the space. I'm gonna style it for you. And look at this. Obviously I would continue to do the rest of it, but for now, for camera purposes, this is gonna do it right now. So let me go clean up, style it, and come back, guys. See you soon. I am back, and this arrangements are just cosmic, orgasmic. The colors, the textures, the layers of interest on this is just impeccable. This container reminds me of the Starry Nights from Van Gogh. That's what I was trying to remember. And of course I did my research and remembered that it was Starry Nights. Anyways, this is pretty cool. This cosmic theme is just out of this world for me. Again, I hope it inspired you guys for another cool way of thinking. Again, make sure you're following me on all social media. I can't do this without you guys. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. And peace out.